The headlines right now might make your stomach turn. Record high inflation, warnings of a looming recession, and banks under more stress than ever before. But while many Americans are panicking, a quiet movement is happening among the country's wealthiest retirees, and it involves gold. Meet Barbara Carlson from Scottsdale, Arizona. She's 68 years old, a retired pharmaceutical executive, and she recently moved $750 to $340 from her traditional IRA into a gold IRA. Why? Because Barbara saw the writing on the wall, and she decided to protect her future before it was too late. And funny enough, her story started with the exact same free guide you'll find linked below. Now, before we get to Barbara, let's look at the facts. The Consumer Price Index is still hovering well above the Fed's target. Despite what the talking heads on TV say, your dollars are losing value every single day. Add to that the recent reports of regional banks tightening their lending and the national debt now exceeding $34 trillion. And it's no wonder that smart retirees are asking themselves, what will my savings actually be worth 10 years from now? And Barbara? She wasn't willing to find out the hard way. After a conversation with her financial advisor last year, she started researching alternatives. Stocks felt too volatile. Bonds weren't keeping up with inflation. She kept coming across this one option, something she remembered her grandfather talking about decades ago: gold. But this time, not in coins or bars in a safe, a gold IRA. She dug deeper and discovered that with a gold IRA, you can move a portion of your existing 401k or IRA into physical gold, without penalties, without starting over, and most importantly, without gambling your future on Wall Street. She took action. No flashy promises, no pushy salespeople, just a simple, no obligation educational call. And what started as curiosity ended with her sleeping better at night, knowing her retirement was anchored to something real. Barbara now says it's the best financial decision she's made in the last 10 years, and she's not alone. According to recent data, high net worth retirees in states like Florida, Texas, and California are moving hundreds of millions into gold IRAs as a hedge against uncertainty. These are people who spent decades building their wealth. They're not looking to get rich. They're looking to not lose it. And listen, you might be thinking, is this even for me? If you're an American retiree with $100,000 or more in an IRA or 401k, then the answer is yes. It's at least worth a 5-minute look. Because here's the truth. Every day you delay, your retirement is exposed to more risk. You work too hard to let a broken system dictate your future. That's why I want you to do exactly what Barbara did. Take the first step. Click the link below to get your free gold IRA guide. It's packed with clear, simple information and comes with a complimentary educational call. No pressure, no gimmicks, just a real conversation with someone who understands your goals. No free silver coins, no limited time offers, just truth, clarity, and a path forward. You've earned the right to retire with confidence, to protect what you built, to leave a legacy. Start by getting informed. It worked for Barbara. It could work for you. So go ahead. Download the free guide now. Your future self will thank you.